Hi, I'm Keith and this is Gloria, my wife. You're at the oldest sweet shop, not just in England but in the whole world, and you're in a little place called Pateley Bridge, which is in North Yorkshire. We actually went in the Guinness World Records in 2014, so we are officially validated as the oldest continuous trading sweet shop. So this year that is 191 years of trading, although the building is about 400 years old. All the jars you see behind us are glass, original glass jars, dating from the 1950s and 60s. They don't make these anymore, and we still serve the sweets traditionally by the quarter. So we get the glass jar off the shelf, get our scoop, actually put scoop in, weigh them out, 4 ounces, a quarter on the old Avery scales, again which date from the 1950s and 60s. We then put them into a paper bag, as my wife and able assistant shows you, hand them over, and then we go around to the till here, which we then take the money off the person and say, right, that is so much, and the till rings, and then as they go out the doorbell rings.
Candy milk, salty dog. Candy milk, salty dog. Candy milk, salty dog. Well, if you won't be my candy man, I won't be your salty dog.
Okay, thank you.
So how long have you been together running this shop?
Together in the shop over 25, well, about 25 years now. Keith has always loved sweets,
Yeah.
and we used to come out here when we first met. And Keith always used to go into the sweet shop. And eventually, when we were living over here, he did say, if you ever want to sell the shop, I'm interested.
Okay, yes.
Came up.
And then it happened one day.
It happened on the Tuesday. We were contacted, and by the following Thursday, we were behind the counter.
Just quick work.
Very quick.
Been here and gone. Candy man, been here and gone. I'd do anything in this God Almighty world that keep my candy man home.
Keith's favourite sweet of all time is the milk teeth gums, which has strawberry and vanilla
Okay.
teeth-shaped sweets.
It's very sweet, no? Probably.
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Keith's own jar.
Oh, yeah. No one is allowed to touch
Nobody
it.
else is touch it.
And your favourite?
My favourite is that one, Lion's fruit salad. I've always liked the Lion's make of gums,
Yeah.
but the fruit salad is just my all-time favourite.
Yeah. It's hard to describe why.
It is,
probably.
yeah. They're
It's
nice
just
and
your love
chewy,
for it.
hard, and very fruity.
Is it not hard not to eat them when you're here?
We just eat them.
No, you just eat them.
We just eat them.
Don't try to resist.
No pressure. There's nobody saying no, you can't.
That's true.
It's a good place to work, and we're happy working. Keeps us out of mischief.
Yeah, you look pretty happy.
It keeps us out of mischief.
Appears to be Good. Well, thank you.
Candy man, salty dog. Well, if you won't be my candy man, I won't be your salty dog.
It would be great if you like to subscribe. You can do that below. Thank you. See you next week.